Hi and welcome to CEBUANO News. Look, more baby black tip sharks were spotted frolicking near the shores of Santander town, southern Cebu. Mario Ruinita, the officer in charge regional director of the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, BFAR, Central Visayas, cited that one of the reasons for the appearance of baby sharks in the area is the breeding season and a sign of a healthy marine biodiversity. Therefore, the public is advised not to approach or disturb the baby sharks that frequent the town of Santander due to existing laws and ordinances protecting them, and there's also a possibility that they could become aggressive due to the ongoing mating season. Baby sharks may exhibit different coloration and patterns. Some may have markings that help camouflage them from predators, while others may display vibrant colors or patterns that serve as a warning to potential threats. As they grow, baby sharks feed on a variety of prey, including small fish, crustaceans, and other marine organisms. They are equipped with rows of sharp teeth that enable them to grasp and consume their food efficiently. Overall, baby sharks are fascinating creatures vital to the marine ecosystem, playing important roles in maintaining balance and biodiversity within their habitats.